Captain. On this island, bank can mean a place for coins, a slope for ships, or a side that guards the flowing sea. Meaning 1. A place where money is kept or managed. Bank means a financial place where people keep, borrow, or save money. Example: the captain went to the bank to deposit his gold coins. Common use: go to the bank. Open a bank account. Bank loan. Meaning 2. The side of a river, lake, or sea. Bank can mean the land along the edge of a river or other body of water. Example: they rested on the riverbank after rowing all day. Common use: riverbank, sit on the bank, climb the bank. Meaning 3. A set or pile of something. Bank can also mean a pile or layer of something like sand, snow, or clouds. Example: the ships sail past a bank of thick fog. Common use: sand bank, snow bank, bank of clouds. Captain, let's test how bank hold our gold, guards our rivers, and piles high across the seas.
They'll speak with grace and code.
3, 2, 1.
They'll speak with grace and code.
3, 2, 1.
They'll speak with grace and code.
3, 2, 1.
Fine navigation, Captain. Sail past every bank with balance and steer toward the next island. Captain, on this island behavior tells every story. How we act, how nature reacts, and how patterns form across the seas. Meaning 1. The way a person acts or conducts themselves. Behavior means the way a person acts, especially toward others. Example: the captain praised the crew for their respectful behavior. Common use: good behavior, bad behavior, polite behavior. Meaning 2. The way something or someone functions or reacts. Behavior can also describe how something acts or reacts, not just people. Example: scientists studied the behavior of dolphins near the reef. Common use: animal behavior, chemical behavior, human behavior. Meaning 3. The way a system or object operates under certain conditions. Behavior can also mean how a machine, material, or system performs in different situations. Example: the compass showed strange behavior during the storm. Common use: system behavior, compass behavior, software behavior. Captain, let's see how behavior shapes humans, creatures, and even machines on this island.
They'll speak with grace and code.
3, 2, 1.
They'll speak with grace and go.
3, 2, 1.
They'll speak with grace and go.
3, 2, 1.
Excellent discipline, Captain. Let behavior guide your next steps as we sail toward the next island of wisdom. Captain, on this island backward turns the tide, showing us how to move, how to think, and how not to fall behind. Meaning 1. In the direction behind you. Backward means toward the back or in the opposite direction of forward. Example: the sailor stepped backward to avoid the swinging rope. Common use: move backward, look backward, fall backward. Meaning 2. Behind others in progress, knowledge, or development. Backward can describe being slow in progress, learning, or modern ideas. Example: the island was backward in technology but rich in wisdom. Common use: socially backward, economically backward, a backward region. Meaning 3. Shy, hesitant, or slow to act. Backward can also mean unwilling or slow to speak or join in. Example: the new sailor was backward at first but soon joined the crew. Common use: feel backward about, too backward to speak, not backward in coming forward. Captain, let's test how backward moves us in space, in time, and in spirit.
They'll speak with grace and go.
3, 2, 1.
They'll speak with grace and go.
3, 2, 1.
They'll speak with grace and go.
3, 2, 1.
Solid progress, Captain. Don't look backward now. The next island awaits your forward sail. Captain, on this island armed means more than weapons. It's about being ready, prepared, and strong in every storm. Meaning 1. Carrying or using weapons. Armed means having or carrying weapons. Example: the guards were armed with swords at the harbor gate. Common use: armed forces, armed guard, heavily armed. Meaning 2. Prepared or equipped with something useful. Armed can also mean being fully prepared or equipped for a task or challenge. Example: the crew was armed with knowledge before sailing into the storm. Common use: armed with facts, armed with courage, armed with tools. Meaning 3. Containing or fixed with weapons. Armed can describe something fitted with weapons or a protective power. Example: the ship was armed with cannons for defense. Common use: armed ship, armed vehicle, armed drone. Captain, let's test how armed means prepared, equipped, and ready for any challenge.
They'll speak with grace and code.
3, 2, 1.
They'll speak with grace and code.
3, 2, 1.
They'll speak with grace and code.
3, 2, 1.
Impressive readiness, Captain. Stay armed with wisdom as we sail toward the next island of discovery. Captain, on this island, assembly brings things and people together, to meet, to build, and to unite under one purpose. Meaning 1. A group of people gathered for a common purpose. Assembly means a meeting of people for a shared reason, such as discussion or ceremony. Example: the captain spoke to the crew during the morning assembly. Common use: school assembly, general assembly, public assembly. Meaning 2. The process of putting parts together to make something. Assembly can mean building or putting together parts of a machine or structure. Example: the ship's assembly took many skilled workers. Common use: car assembly, furniture assembly, assembly line. Meaning 3. A legislative or a decision-making body. Assembly can also mean a formal group of people with authority to make laws or decisions. Example: the island's assembly voted to improve the port. Common use: national assembly, local assembly, legislative assembly. Captain, let's see how assembly gathers crews, builds ships, and shapes decisions on this island.
They'll speak with grace and code.
3, 2, 1.
They'll speak with grace and code.
3, 2, 1.
They'll speak with grace and code.
3, 2, 1.
Strong unity, Captain. May every assembly you lead build smoother sails for the next island ahead.